We're talking about memoization with React.memo. Let's dive in. First, imagine you have a component that always re-renders, even if its props haven't changed. This is a waste of time, and it can slow down your app, especially when you have a lot of components on the screen. To solve this, React gives us a tool called React.memo. React.memo is like telling React, hey, if the props didn't change, don't bother re-rendering this component. Just use the last result. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in performance. All right, now let's see it in action. In your SRC folder, create a new folder called Memoization. Inside it, create two files, child.js and parent.js. First, in child.js, write import React from React. Function child name console.log child component rendered. Return div style equals margin top 20px3. Child component name if export default child. Simple, right? It just displays the name passed from the parent. Now, in parent.js, write import React, use state from React. Import child from /child. Function parent const count set count equals use state 0. Return div style padding h1. Parent component h1. Button on click set count count 1. Increment count count. Child name code with me div. Export default parent. Here we have a counter. Every time you click the button, the count increases, and we're also rendering the child component below it. In app.js, write import React from React. Import parent from /memoization/parent. Function app, return div parent div. Export default app. Save all the files. Now open your browser. ht localhost -3000. Now watch carefully. Click the increment count button. You'll see in the console, child component rendered every time you click it. But wait, we're only changing the count, right? We're not changing the child's name prop at all. Still, the child component re-renders unnecessarily. And that's where React.memo comes in. Let's fix it. Go to your child.js. Instead of exporting like this, export default child. Change it to import React from React. Function child name console.log child component rendered. Return div style margin top 20px. Child component export default React.memo child. We simply wrap the component inside React.memo. That's it. Save it. Go back to the browser. Click increment count again. You'll notice the count increases, but the child component does not re-render anymore. Check your console. No extra logs for child rendering now. Success! Keep coding and keep shining.